21st April 2026. Buza is here. I'm taking the multi. There's an auto show event at Bangalore Institute of Technology, so supposed to go there. Little bit late because of some work, but leaving now. Bike is all decked up. So an auto show, so I'm putting the panniers and all. So panniers. Beti? Oh, bye bye. Bye. So just leaving now. Hopefully it's showing us around 51 minutes, 12 kilometers. Hopefully should be able to do it some little more faster. Now the time is 12:07. So getting onto Wind Tunnel Road. Fuel is almost more than 3/4. So I don't think I need to refuel now. So I'll just continue. So this is my Ducati watch. Beautiful watch which I've got. So traffic is fine, I think. Let's see. So let's go. Oh, it is showing full red on Old Airport Road. I think till Manipal Hospital signal it should be red. The entire thing is showing as red. Still, let's see if I can filter through and go. Wind Tunnel Road is quite okay. It's not showing too much of traffic till the signal. After that, after you take left is the issue. So here also it is kind of a traffic jam. Anyway, it is left already. So let's see if I can make it faster. So that's it. I'll catch you in a bit. Let the traffic get cleared. Okay, bye for now. The place now got little delayed. The time is now 12:46. So Bangalore Institute of Technology, Vakkaligara Sangha. Where is that event happening? Entrance is other side, huh?
Right side.
Not here, no?
Not here.
Next one. Thank you. Okay, so the event is happening on the next road entrance. Let me see. I think almost near to that. So reach the place, Bangalore Institute of Technology, Automation. Straight, huh? Yeah. Hi. Sorry, I got delayed.
Sir?
Got delayed, sorry.
I have no issue, sir. Here you park it cross.
Yeah, wait. Yeah. No, okay? Huh? No, water you can give it later.
Okay, we'll take a video then.
Yeah. Yeah. You're taking now?
Huh?
No?
No, yeah, you stand here.
Yeah. I'll just remove my helmet. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Mike.
Everyone will be curious. Let's ask the question first.
Oh, yeah.
Sir.
Thank
Can
you.
you give it? So can you please introduce
Yeah.
yourself?
My name is Sajin Anju. I am 54 years old.
So why are you like so passionate about riding and stuff?
See, it's been my passion, but all these years I was busy with
Battery
my work. I didn't
status
have time.
low.
Now recently, 24, I got a Hayabusa anniversary edition. Around I've done 34,000 kilometers in just 1 year. And this I took in September. It's already 11,600. kilometers done. Or next time planning to go to Leh Ladakh, Kumlingla, Northeast and all, that I do it in June. So it's a passion. I did it like nowadays, youngsters like you can do it in 25, 30 years. God's grace. So I'm a little late to the party, but I'm enjoying it. That's it.
So let's ask Uncle to give, no Uncle, Brahman to give one advice for all our youngsters over here.
See guys, basically if you need to work hard in the sense enjoy what you are doing. If you can make your passion your profession, nothing like it. So that's what it is. So I think because Bangalore Institute of Technology, I think because like the future engineers, so there are a lot of engineers in my writing room. My son is an engineer, my daughter is a CA. So all this is happening. So I found some time now to do all this. So you guys can do it much before. If you plan and don't get into any habits and all that, I think 20, 30 years down the line, you will be having some super bikes in your garage. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. A simple question. Let you introduce yourself.
Thanks for the invitation. Thank you, sir. Just to motivate them also. If you don't come an hour or two,
Why do you even
we have another break because of the sunshine, water, not at all. 50% working day again, sir. He messaged me, he sent me an invite, go to working day, some work was there, I had to do some very fast.
ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಈ ಬೈಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹಲೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್
Of all the bikes here, you can see almost Z900 is here, then S1000 RR, Ducati, I think there is Panigale too, then ZX10R, BMW, Suzuki, V-Storm, all the bikes are here. The college, this is a dental college. Then you have okay, they have a canteen here. There's a law college.
It's a pleasure to meet
Hello,
you.
hello, nice seeing
How
you.
did you clock 25k on the Buza?
34k, not 20.
Seriously, where did you buy it from?
From
Bro,
that is it, from
I am at 18,000. I was feeling proud of that only.
Aryan, you
I
are
met
riding
some-
which bike?
I have a Buza also. I have that one also.
V-Storm you got,
V-Storm, yeah.
I rode that V-Storm, but the problem is it doesn't have a tubeless tire, all that.
I
no?
got it converted.
You converted
yeah.
later.
Now I'm getting cruise control also on it.
Oh, lovely. Then it will be
electronic
nice.
one.
It's a very good bike. Very good bike.
Amazing bike.
I rode that.
Nothing in front of
I
this.
bought from Aryan Suzuki only.
I bought
But
it
the
from,
only thing
one
I had gone a long trip to Rajasthan, Ran of
From
Kutch
the
and
Bu-
all.
with the
Gone
Buza.
Buza. Then Kerala many trips I did. So like that within
Crazy,
1
sir.
year 32,000 I did.
I was considering myself. I was about the ground clearance.
It is okay, you can manage. Even hums also, no? You,
Riding a Buza, in
Buza,
touring.
touring, I got the luggage setup also.
I've
Both the
seen
bag
you, I've seen
and
you in
top
one
box,
of the
everything is
event,
there.
yes.
So I have got my luggage, my tank bag, everything. So I was solo. Actual plan, it was not pre-planned actually. I went till Bombay because my wife had a meeting there. Went to Bombay. After that 3 days I stayed in the hotel there. She went back. My cousin is in Gujarat. He said, come there.
You bought it from Bangalore only.
Ah,
sir.
from
You are the
Aryan.
highest.
No,
He was,
even when Yogesh came, no, MD of this thing. Now next we are going to Shimoga, Kimmane Resorts. We are booked on 24, 25, 26. Nobody is clocked. Even old Buzas are not clocked this much.
I'll compete with you, definitely.
Sure.
Definitely
I need some challenge there.
I'll beat you. I'm at 18,000, but I'll
Oh,
beat you.
good. All the best.
I didn't get your name, sir, sorry.
Matthew, Saji Matthew.
I'll follow you.
So,
You have Insta, right?
Insta is there, YouTube is there. This is Skyline Seekers. I am there with them. Ride with Passion and Explore. So this is the YouTube.
Follow you, yeah.
YouTube is here.
Yeah.
This one, Ride with Passion and Explore. Insta link is there. So this I have finished 11,600 now. I'm planning to
You
go
bought
to
it like new one only.
new, brand new from the store VFM in the Richmond Road. And I have got now planning for Leh Ladakh, Kumlingla, Northeast and all. So that's
In
also.
this, is it?
So that
I want to do it in Buza.
Buza.
Leh Ladakh and everything.
Rahul is done, no?
Rahul
Buza by
Buza,
Rahul.
yeah, I know. He did it Gen 2.
Now he's gone in Gen 2 he did. Now, and I think Jason Films is done in his
That is easy for him to
old,
go from there.
from there.
For us,
People transport the bike and do. We should ride
want
and
to
go.
ride it from here.
I rode from Bangalore and went. That is the achievement. No, otherwise. And now we are, yeah, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಡನ್ ನೌ. ಸೊ
Very nice.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
You've gone on tour, sir?
Yeah, I keep going. I'm almost going to finish All India now.
I've seen your
Yeah, my channel is there, name Ride with Passion and Explore. It's written here. You can follow it, tag me. Okay?
really nice.
See you. Bye. Thank you. Bye. I can go left or, but they're standing there. Huh? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಆಚೆ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. பார்க்குறியா? ரைட் வித் பேஷன் அண்ட் எக்ஸ்ப்ளோர் உன்னையும் போடுறேன் நான் சேனலில். பேர் என்ன வந்து? சுகன். இது ரைட் வித் பேஷன் அண்ட் எக்ஸ்ப்ளோர் சேனலில் ஃபாலோ பண்ணு. ஓகே, ஹயபூசா ஓட்டுறது இதெல்லாம் இருக்கும் அதில். ஓகே, நல்லா படித்து பெரியவன் ஆகிட்டு புது வண்டி வாங்கிக்கோ. நீயே அப்பா அம்மா கிட்ட காசு கேட்கக்கூடாது, நீயே வாங்கிக்கணும். ಹೌದಾ? ಗುಡ್ ಬಾಯ್. குட் பாய். ஓகே, எந்த கிளாஸ் இப்போ? 8ஆ? நல்லா படிச்சுட்டு நீயே வாங்கிட்டு அங்கே சிஸ்டரை கூட்டி உட்காந்து ஓட்டணும் இல்லையா? ஓகேயா? வெரி குட், ஃபாலோ பண்ணு. பாய். So now from here we are leaving. I'll put map to my home.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏರ್ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏರ್ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
Now it will connect directly. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ರೈಟ್
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್.
ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ರೋಡ್. ಎಚ್ ಎಲ್ ಮುಂದೆನೆ ಡಮ್ಲೂರು ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಡಮ್ಲೂರು.
ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್
ಈಗ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇಡವಾ?
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಟರ್ನ್ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸೌಧ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲುಲು ಮಾಲ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಲುಲು ಮಾಲ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ರೂಟ್.
ಹಾಂ, ಗೊತ್ತು, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ರೋಡ್, ಆನಂದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಲು, ಇದು ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ.
ಹಾಂ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ವಿನೋದ್ ಯಾದವ್ದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಬ್ರೋ, ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಎಪ್ಲೆಟ್ ಸೇವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ. ಬ್ರೋ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಹಾಂ,
ಲೈಕ್ ಫ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅದು
ವಾಟ್? This is Chigi.
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಟಚ್.
The touch screen we can do, but it will connect to the phone only. Then phone you need not connect. All TPMS, camera, everything is there. Now you go back, no? See, now you go here, it will show the camera. This is back, front. Now back you need to see. Back ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡೌನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡೌನ್. ಫ್ರಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಬೀಕ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ. ಮುಂದೆ ಬೀಕ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲ 360 ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು. ಹಾಂ, ದಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚ್ ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರು. ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು.
ಹಾಂ,
ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ ಇದು?
ಇದು ಆಯಿತು, ಇದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 50,000 ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ TPMS ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಸಪ್ರೇಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 78 ಏನೋ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಚಿಗಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಚಿಗಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್.
ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಅದು ಮೋಟೋ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ಸೋನಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇರುತ್ತಂತೆ, ಚಿಗಿಗಿನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅದು. ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ
ಅದು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ there are lot of brands are there, but this also is the same. It is good enough, good clarity and all that. चलता है फ्रंट बैक. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಡ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಿವ್ ಕ್ರೂಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಏನಾದರೂ ಗಾಡಿ ಬಂದು ನಾವು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಥರ. ಓಕೆ ಗೈಸ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್. ಇದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಫೈನ್. ಲೀವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ಸ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಬಾಯ್ ದಿನೇಶ್, ಸಿ ಯು. ಕಮನ್, ಸಿ ಯು ಡಾ. ಬಾಯ್. ಓಕೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಾಯ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಹೆಸರಿದೆ, ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ, ರೈಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ಓಡ್ಸೋಣ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಓಡೋಣ. ಹಾಂ, ಬಾಯ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಂ, ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪು. ಬಾಯ್ ಕವನ್, ಸಿ ಯು. City railway station here nearby. Just crisscrossing. Can see above the bridge the train going. So it was Arjun's house on Magdi Road, Rajaji Nagar near Lulu Mall. From there we are taking now the Majestic, and we have to go straight like this. 3:16 afternoon it is now. So take left here. City railway station here. Oh, Hudson Circle, MG Road, so that it will cut across and go. Dunia. So I'm going through Vidhan Saudha now, the multi-storied building here, General Post Office and all. Because Secretariat, I think. Karnataka Lokayukta is there. So Vidhan Saudha building is started here. So this is Bangalore's Vidhana Saudha. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Station, Vidhan Saudha. So this is one building. So the metro station underground. So this is Vidhan Saudha, Bangalore's. Government work is God's work. You can see Vidhana Saudha. Lovely, beautiful building. India flag flying. Ashok Stamp. Ambedkar statue. All that you can see. This is High Court of Karnataka, right side. So now I'll have to take a right from here and go.